Happy New Year, techies! Have you heard about the insane free software giveaway from AOMEI? As a thank you to their users, they're giving away tons of their premium software for free, but only for a limited time. This giveaway includes software tools like AOMEI Backupper Pro, AOMEI Partition Assistant, AOMEI Fast Recovery, and even the AOMEI Phone Backup for iPhone backups. These are normally paid products, but until January 10th, 2025, you can download and activate them completely free. Again, this deal is time sensitive. You must download and activate the software by January 10th. After that, the offer's gone, so don't wait. Check out the link in the description to grab your free software now. Don't miss this chance to level up your PC for free and be on the lookout for our video reviews on some of these softwares. Hit that like button and share this with your friends. Don't let them miss out on this epic giveaway.